everyone, it's Mike with LiftedTrucks.com. This month's featured truck is a custom 2023 GMC Sierra Elevation 4x4. Our technicians made this one extra badass by installing some high quality off-road upgrades. Check it out. This one features a 6-inch LTS edition suspension lift with full-length struts, 20-inch fuel off-road wheels, and 35-inch Nitto Grappler tires. It also features a custom front bumper with integrated lights, a custom rear bumper, and inside bed rails custom made by our friends at Addictive Desert Designs. This setup gives this truck great off-road performance and a super smooth ride on the street. Now with locations in Arizona, Texas, and Alabama, we have over 850 trucks to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this truck or any others, log on to LiftedTrucks.com.